In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize columns in Smartsheet. If you've ever opened a project sheet and found your text cut off or your headers taking up too much space, resizing columns is the quick fix. It helps you show exactly what you need without endless scrolling, and it keeps your sheet clean and readable. I'll walk you through two simple ways to do it: a precise method using a specific width in pixels, and a quick visual method by dragging. Start on your project sheet and move your cursor to the column you want to adjust. Aim for the column header area so Smartsheet knows which column you're working with. When you're hovering over the correct column, right-click to open the context menu. From there, choose Resize Column. A small prompt appears where you can enter the width in pixels, type the exact number you want, and the column will update to that precise width. This is perfect when you need consistent sizing across your sheet, like keeping all your task name columns aligned or making sure longer notes have enough room. If you're not sure what number to use, start with a moderate value and adjust as needed until your content is comfortably visible without wasted space. There's also a faster, more hands-on way to resize. Move your cursor to the right edge of the column header until the pointer changes to a horizontal resize icon. Click, hold, and drag the edge to the left to make the column narrower or to the right to make it wider. You'll see the column adjust instantly as you drag, so you can stop exactly where it looks right. This approach is great when you just want a quick tweak based on how the sheet looks on your screen. A couple of tips as you work. Keep text-heavy columns, like descriptions or notes, wide enough to prevent constant wrapping, which can make rows tall and harder to scan. For compact data, like checkboxes, dates, or short codes, a narrow width keeps your layout tight and efficient. If a header gets clipped when you shrink a column, expand slightly until the header reads clearly. Balancing width helps you see the most important fields at a glance without losing context. That's all there is to it. Use the right-click option when you want an exact pixel width and drag the column edge when you want a quick visual adjustment. With these two methods, you'll keep your Smartsheet columns clean, consistent, and easy to read.